2015 39 BHTS Retreat fiberglass with electric awning. A rear queen bed. This window, some storage, ceiling fan, nice big closet, a flush toilet, storage, closed shower, nice bathroom sink, little den with a hide-a-bed sofa with a bunk on top, some storage, spot for a TV. Entertainment center with your fireplace. Some more storage. Hide-a-bed sofa. Storage above that with a freestanding dinette. Nice front kitchen. Solid countertops with the stainless steel. Stove. Microwave. Stainless steel refrigerator, freezer, lots of pantry space, and countertop.